Hello, this is Keun Soo Yim. I will briefly summarize the VTS v9 and then explain how to contribute to the VTS codebase on Android open source project. First of all, VTS ensures the Android driver architecture that separates hardware-independent framework from the underlying hardware-dependent vendor implementations. We used a holistic approach to develop VTS tests such that they can cover a large part of the driver vendor interface surfaces. The VTS v9 framework supports all the state-of-the-art test framework features, and as its execution time has been improved significantly. In VTS v9, new test types were introduced. Some of them were introduced as part of optional test plans so that users can try them when such optional tests are relevant and useful. Also, there is some new device and test requirements such as SIM card and GPS signals. Overall, our experience shows that using VTS and its optional test suite, VTS Star, is highly effective in improving the quality of Android devices. Now, we are open for code contributions by anybody in the Android device ecosystem. There can be mainly three types of contributions: test framework, bug fixes of the test in the basic plan, and new optional test, especially if you'd like to upstream your test such that anybody in the Android device ecosystem can run them easily. We'll be happy to take them as part of an existing or new optional test plan. When upstreaming such code changes, please use these branches on AOSP Git repositories. For example, for VTS 8.1 changes, Oreo-mr1-VTS-dev branch should be used. Similarly, there is a P branch for Android VTS v9.0 changes. For contributions to the latest development branch, please use the master branch. In each branch, there are multiple VTS and CTS on GSI Git projects. For test framework, the relevant Git projects are located at test/VTS, test/framework CTS, and tools/trade federation. Similarly, test cases are located in the Git projects shown here. For example, most of the basic VTS test cases are under test/VTS-test-case/plan name Git projects. Some external tests integrated with the VTS are located under external/project name Git projects. Also, some VTS tests are collocated with their device-side code. For example, many hard test binaries are placed in the VTS subdirectories of hardware/interfaces Git project. For more information about upstreaming, please join our user group, and we look forward to your contributions. Thank you.